way down to Sand Island, just outside of Bluff. We're gonna leave the cars down there, and then we're gonna drive back up to our put-in spot. We're gonna float the San Juan River back down to the cars. So right now, just cutting through Bluff here. We got a bunch of kids doing the grunt work. Got them putting air in the rafts and lugging the coolers around and all of that stuff. And
oh my God.
Yes. Wait.
I got the nice job of driving the truck down to the takeout spot. I got the air conditioner blasting pretty good, and it's only about 97 degrees right now. There is a slight breeze, so I think that'll help cool us off, but whew, it's plenty warm. It's gonna be a pretty warm day on the river.
Want to be able, if you're floating in the current, you want your feet to be able to push off of any sticks or rocks or anything like that. But like I say, you should be able to just stand up, or one will come right after you to help you.
So it's that deep so you can stand up?
Maybe not you, but
yeah, some parts will be like, yeah, some parts aren't very deep and some are. So one of my main rules is sideless.
Yeah.
This is the front.
We both know you don't.
Roman, why don't you hop in, buddy?
Should I bring these? Hey, Kevin, can I bring these?
Just bring one.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, here we go. We just launched.
He said we could stand up.
There. And now we're in this raft, drifting along.
Is this a YouTube video?
Yeah, YouTube video. You're going to be on it. Say hi to the
Oh,
folks at home.
hi.
Don't get COVID.
There you go.
Can I hop off now?
I pull you in.
That's right.
Zachy, left side too. Zach, left side too.
We split that little island right there.
Yeah, we did.
We took the slow side, they took the fast side.
We got a good deal.
He said sorry, an envelope involved. He also said, you want to go down on the skiboard with me? Because Canadians say oh my God!
Help out, Bader. Help out.
Stop it!
All right.
Help out. Oh yeah, I watch.
Mr. Coward's away.
Think of what CC asked you, okay?
Yeah.
Hayden, look up here.
We've met Shade.
Titan. Say hi.
Hi.
Trevor with the chips. Christian, little Christian.
I
Reagan, Amelia, look up. Hey guys, Dave, Granddad.
Christian, put that away.
They're looking at us.
Cows.
Oh yeah. That's tighter than I think they gave it to you. So if you want to hop out.
It's real heavy.
Didn't look like nothing. That was great. That looks good.
You guys are about to strap the cooler?
Good to see you. Yeah, that's great.
Would it be bicep?